So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TechLeadBay to accelerate your enterprise account acquisition by using something called the decision tree. Now, the decision tree is all around attacking multiple decision makers in one account at the same time. So going with the head of cloud infrastructure as an example, senior vice president of cloud, and then an analyst, okay? And we're going to use Citigroup, and I'm going to use TechLeadBay in a real world example. So the context here is I want to sell some form of cloud solution into the Citigroup account in the United States. So what I've done is I have pulled the details of the CIO of Citigroup in the US, the senior vice president of cloud infrastructure, and then an analyst. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the LinkedIn profile of the CIO of Citigroup. I'm going to hit find my contact, and I'm going to add him to a list. So I'm going to call this Citigroup Cloud, right? Create an ad. So now I've added the CIO there. And then I'm going to do the same process again. I'm going to take the senior vice president's details, plug him into here in the social profile URL, and I'm going to add the senior vice president to my list of Cloud Citigroup. Okay, so I'm going to add him there. And then I'm going to do the final decision maker. Now he is an influencer, right? So the idea being now is that I can attack one account with multiple decision makers for the very first time using information that's actually executable. So here we go. I'm going to add him to my Citigroup Cloud list. And then I'm going to show you my list builder history, right? So in here, in fact, manage lists. Here's my Citigroup Cloud list. I'm going to run it. And there is my hit list for Citigroup. Now, you can go really deep into the account, right? So I'm using Citigroup as a context, but whatever enterprise account you want to sell into, you could build 50 or 25 stakeholders or 500 with TechLeadBay. And really from here, it's all about what you do with the data. So if you have an accounts-based marketing program, or you have a direct marketing strategy you want to enable, or a cold outreach program, or whatever your sales strategy looks like, you can use this data and push this data into your CRM system or your marketing automation system to engage with decision makers as and when you need to. Now, the alternative prior to TechLeadBay was trying to do this with some form of, outbound marketing or on-platform lead generation, which traditionally for enterprise account acquisition, it just doesn't work. You have to have an accounts-based approach for enterprise customers and a market-led approach for smaller businesses, the SME and SMC segments. And this really demonstrates, guys, the power of TechLeadBay. Do this for your enterprise account acquisition, and you really can accelerate your sales in that area.